In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the CC line sweep effect in Adobe After Effects to create a smooth transition between two clips. Start by placing your second clip, the clip you want to transition into, above your first clip in the timeline. Now go to the Effects and Presets panel, search for CC line sweep, and drag the effect onto your second clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Find the Transition Completion option and click the stopwatch icon to create a keyframe. For the starting keyframe, set the value to 100%. Then move about 1 second forward on the timeline and change the value back to 0%. This creates the transition animation. You can also adjust the direction setting to change the angle of the sweep and create different transition styles. To smooth the animation, press U on the keyboard to reveal the keyframes. Select both keyframes and press F9 to apply Easy Ease for smoother motion. And that's it. Your CC line sweep transition is now smooth and professional looking.